Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit a video transcript in Echo360. Echo360 provides an automatically generated transcript for videos, which typically exhibits 70 to 90% accuracy and is available to students in the video player. These transcripts can then be further edited to improve their accuracy and can even be applied as video captions if corrected completely. To begin, you'll need to navigate to Echo360. You can either navigate directly to echo360.org and sign in using your CWRU credentials, or open an Echo360 link in Canvas. If navigating on the Echo360 website, locate a video in your library, then select the video thumbnail. If navigating through Canvas, select the video icon next to a video and choose Details. Once on the Video Details page, select the Edit Transcript button underneath the video to open the transcript editor. If this option is grayed out, you may not be the original video owner. Please contact Echo360 at case.edu for further assistance. In the transcript editor, you will see the video on the left side of the page and the automated transcript on the right side of the page. Along the top of the page are options to select which version of the transcript should be visible to users, buttons to upload or export caption files, the Apply to CC button, which we'll talk about in a moment, and the Edit Transcript button. Select the Edit Transcript button to open the editing tools. To make an edit to the transcript text, simply select the text and edit it using your keyboard. When you select a section of text, you can use the play button on the video to automatically play that segment of video and hear the audio that you're transcribing. While editing, you may find it handy to select the Pause When Typing toggle to pause the video playback. The transcript editor has some handy tools to help you identify areas that may need to be corrected. You'll notice red double underlined text throughout the transcript, which indicates that the automated speech recognition software wasn't confident in what it heard. You can adjust the word confidence slider to change the confidence threshold, which can be a quick way to identify areas that need to be corrected. You can also search for terms using the search bar at the top of the editor. Selecting the arrow next to the search bar will open the Replace tool, which can make quick work of replacing commonly misheard words. If your video had more than one speaker, or if it was imported from a Zoom recording, you may also see speakers identified throughout the transcript. If you need to adjust the speaker, you can select a new one by selecting the Speaker drop-down menu. Simply select the correct speaker from the list, or use Edit Speakers to add a new speaker. Once you are done correcting the transcript, make sure to select Save As New Version from the top of the editor. This will save your changes and apply them immediately so that viewers of the video will see the updates you made. Finally, let's talk about captions. According to the Web Content Accessibility Guidelines, which are the guidelines that we are committed to meet at Case Western Reserve University, automatically generated captions do not meet user needs or accessibility requirements unless they are confirmed to be fully accurate. If you corrected your transcript completely and the text is accurate, you can use the Apply to CC button to apply your corrected transcript as captions on the video. That concludes this video on using the Echo360 transcript editor. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the UTech Service Desk at 216-368-HELP, help.case.edu, or help@case.edu. Thanks for watching.